Hello, and welcome to the OZ5 Options Weekly Paychecks Naked Options Striker System Introduction. I'm going to overview this system for you and introduce to you the concepts behind it and show you the performance results. Now, this system does deal with naked options. I know some of you are already freaking out about naked options. We've changed some things with naked options, okay? Now, naked options of the past has been associated with some really bad ideas, all right? And selling naked options, firstly, in terms of risk to reward, is a unlimited risk, pretty much, versus a limited reward. But you do have the advantage of collecting decaying time premium. Okay, you become a market maker of sorts when you sell naked options. But we want to put this decaying premium factor on our side. We want to take advantage of this. We want to be able to stack these premiums, collect these premiums and stack them and add them up so we can keep growing our trading account while not putting ourselves in position for unnecessary risk. Okay, and how are we going to do that? We are going to do that by firstly throwing margin out the window. We don't need it. You need to take a net worth building approach when selling naked options. All right. If you want to make the big gains and make the big money, all right, and highly leverage and hit home runs, you need to buy options. Okay, this is something different. So people in the past have associated making big gains. They would ride a trend with a naked option. I mean, what kind of where's the logic in that? All right, so you want to ride a trend, buy options. All right, now of course, with options, there's so much flexibility, and there are different, opportunities and approaches, even in terms of, riding a trend. Okay, with for example, a naked put, but that's something a little different. But the point here is that let's maximize naked options for what they are. And in our case, this is a site focused on weekly paychecks. Okay, we want to enforce this fun sounding concept. This is our end goal. We want to try to average a weekly paycheck. We can't say we want a weekly paycheck every single week from the markets, because that's just kind of putting you in bad thinking with the markets, right? Whenever you can't force the markets, but you can work with the markets to receive rewards from the markets. Okay, and that comes through an average opportunity. An average, when you think in terms of an average or an averaging out a weekly paycheck, then you put yourself in a good mentality. All right, so here we look to take advantage of a particular system, and let's just go over to the site here. All right. We focus on one stock in this performance example. You can use whatever stock you want, but we figured, let's go old school. Let's go with a low price stock with pretty good premium. Premium was averaging 0.57, 0.61, or 0.64. Okay, it was a rough average of the at the money. 5 days to expiration. Okay, so a 2-point movement in Micron MU would take this 64 point or 0.64 option down to 0.07. So we collect all that, thereby netting us out a 0.57 credit on momentum alone. So we integrate a momentum trigger with the system, and you just simply take the signals. This is just designed to average out a weekly net. So so the concept here is you can see all the signals. I'm sorry, all the trades here, and this is a 21-week sample, which is about 5 months. And so the per week net here is 0.3. Okay, so that's your per week credit based off these micron options. Now that may sound like 0.3. What, what's that? Well, 0.3 to very low price stock, and we are selling. These are weekly options now, and we are doing at the money. We're not going in the money with this system. Although with this system you could very well. There are plenty of opportunities to go in the money where you can enter, take the momentum, and then use a little more of a tight trail stop to take advantage of that. But this system, we just focus on the simple at the money, and we'll get out of our position if the trade is reversed or our stop loss is hit. Okay, for stop losses, you can use a contingent order, or you can use an actual stop loss. Although that may be, that may be of issue in terms of market makers and wiggle room. You'll have to experiment yourself. Okay, with your broker. Anyways, just putting all this concept together, now 6.4 points may seem small. Okay, this Micron is at, I don't think I mentioned that. Micron is at 32.92, so about 33. That's the stock price. So let me scroll in range here. So now 6.4 points net over 21 weeks. Okay, but for 5 months, that's a 19% return. Remember, this is a net worth building strategy. We're looking just to use our cash and not use margin, use our cash and do the deals. Okay, and so if we annualize it, that just means if we had the same rate of return over the rest of the 7 months of the year, that would come out to 15.36 naked options points, and for a cash return, that would end up being 47% cash return on your stock in terms of systems results. Now that's really good. Okay, what if you could average that on your cash per year and compound that? All right, we teach you money management system, and position sizing. What if you could compound that over time? All right, well, that would be fantastic, right? That would be really, really good. All right, Warren Buffett averages what, 20 to 24% a year, which with the size of his account is extraordinary, of course. But you're just focus on one stock, get good at it, keep building. Anyways, this is a good system. We've priced it pretty nicely, and so this is a good system to employ and just keep doing. If you're not in the net worth building stage, you should definitely get on a plan to build net worth. You need to try. Okay, nothing's guaranteed in life, but you better start trying, or else life goes by quickly and you don't build wealth. All right? Don't look at everyone else. Don't keep reading the media. You need to focus on the people who do build wealth. You need to hang out around them. All right? Get the way they think in your mind. Don't get, we are very influenced by our surroundings. So be very careful of what you put in your head. So anyways, for more information, sign up on the opt-in form on this page. Will tell you more about the system. You'll get a series of emails, should be about 7, and not only will this explain more about the system, but it'll also remind you that, hey, this is here. So if you're interested in it and you can't get it right away, you'll get reminders. I know I like that, and that's why we made up this email follow-up per system. Okay? So that's about it. If you have any questions, contact us. If you're not on this this page here, go to optionsweeklypaychecks.com, and you can click on the or OZ5 naked options system. All right. So in summary, this is a video course. We're going to teach you the rules. It's not software, and we're going to teach you how to trade. And if there, anytime you have a question, you just email us. And also, we look to improve our products. So your feedback, if we think we need to explain something more, we're always looking to perfect our products. So we always want to hear back from you. All right, so that's about it. Thank you.